Hello everyone, this is Shubham and I'm the research analyst at ATS. Let's have a look on how to add bank details in your profile. First, visit www.adityatrading.in. Here, you have to click on login and then you have to enter your mobile number followed by an OTP. After that, inside menu option, click on profile. Go to bank and then click on add new bank. Enter all the important details and upload the bank proof. For bank proof, you can either upload cancel check or 1 month latest bank statement. And if your bank statement is password protected, you can mention that password here in this column. Once everything is done, click on submit button, and after that system will take you to BGO portal. Click on send code to mobile and enter the OTP. Once you click on submit, an electronic modification form will appear in front of you. You can either read this document if you want or else click on sign now. Tick the checkbox and enter your Aadhaar card and click on send OTP. You'll receive an OTP on your mobile number which is linked to your Aadhaar card. Enter the OTP and click on verify OTP. That's it, it's done. Now you don't have to do anything. It will take around 2 working days for our team to add the new bank details in the account, and once it is done, we will send you an email plus WhatsApp confirmation on your phone. And yes, if you have any query, you can put your comments on the comment down below. You can also call us or WhatsApp us at 766-727-3344, or you can also send us an email at support@adityatrading.com. Thanks for watching.